Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a smart TV, you've probably come across two major operating systems, Google TV and Vidaa, popularly used in Hisense and Toshiba TVs. But which one gives you the best smart TV experience? In this video, I'll break down their user interface, app availability, voice control, performance, and overall value for money. Stay with me till the end because I'll also reveal which one is better depending on your needs. User interface. Let's start with the user interface. Google TV offers a clean, modern, and content-focused layout. Everything feels smooth and organized, and it automatically recommends movies or shows based on what you watch. So whether you're switching between Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube, you get a personalized entertainment experience. On the other hand, Vidaa has a simple and easy to navigate interface. It's great for people who want a no complication smart TV experience. However, it doesn't offer deep personalization or smart suggestions like Google TV does. It gets the job done but feels more basic. Verdict here. Google TV wins for smarter and cleaner interface, while Vidaa is better for simplicity. Content and app availability. When it comes to apps, Google TV absolutely dominates. You get access to thousands of apps from the Google Play Store, including Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Apple TV, HBO Max, Spotify, you name it. Vidaa, however, supports basic entertainment apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and some regional apps, but the app library is limited. If you want niche apps or games, you may not find them on Vidaa. So the winner here is clearly Google TV. Voice control and smart home integration. Now let's talk about voice control. Google TV comes with built-in Google Assistant, which works incredibly well. You can search movies, control your smart home devices, check weather, and even set reminders, all hands-free. Vidaa does have voice control on some models, but it's not as smart or responsive, and it doesn't integrate with smart home systems as deeply as Google Assistant does. In some regions, voice control isn't available at all. Winner again, Google TV, especially for smart home users. Performance, in terms of speed and performance, both Vidaa and Google TV run smoothly on good hardware. But on budget TVs, Google TV can sometimes feel a little heavier because it uses more system resources. Vidaa, being lightweight, runs fast even on cheaper TVs, making it a good option for budget buyers. Performance winner? Tie, but Vidaa is better for low-budget TVs. Pros and cons, quick recap. Google TV. Pros. Huge app library, smart recommendations. Google Assistant, frequent updates. Google TV. Cons, heavier OS, can lag on cheap TVs, more ads, and recommendations. Vidaa. Pros, simple and lightweight, good performance on budget TVs. Easy to use for beginners, Vidaa. Cons, limited apps, weak voice assistant, fewer updates. Final verdict, which is better? If you want more apps, better voice control, and a smarter user experience, go with Google TV. It's more advanced and future-proof, but if you're buying a budget TV and just need basic streaming without lag, then Vidaa is a solid and user-friendly option. Overall winner, Google TV, but Vidaa is good for budget-friendly simplicity. So that's the comparison between Google TV and Vidaa. Which one would you choose and why? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.